Good evening. Today is September 18, 2000. Today is September 17, 2020, Thursday. I am Sudarshan Sukhani and we talk about intraday trading for the Nifty in this webinar every week. After a gap of few days, we resumed this webinar yesterday and yesterday I had a plan for today, so we can first discuss that plan. That plan was to go long in the market, and my sense was that the Nifty was closing at 11,600 and this momentum should enable it to go higher. But the markets had other plans. My plans mean nothing in front of the market. The American markets were mildly weak. The Fed made an announcement, and you know what the Fed said? The Fed said that we will maintain the easy money policy. And the market started falling after hearing this. But that's what the market wants. So sometimes the market actually is like an addicted Fed, is addicted to the Fed. I think it wants more and more. And how can the Fed has already brought down interest rates to 0%. So there is no way Fed can give any more. And the market got disappointed because it again did not get that addiction, that dose. And it started falling. There was a mild decline yesterday in the American markets, but today morning in pre-market, US markets were down big time. That affected Asia when it opened, and Asian markets also started wobbling, and India also opened lower. So my idea was that we will open either at the same level or a little higher, and we will wait for a breakout or a dip and go long. So we did not open at the same level, we opened much lower. Even that is acceptable, but we opened because of news, because American markets are down, Asian markets are down. So there is no way for me to say that the news is irrelevant, the market will go up again. How do I know that? The market has to tell us. And the very fact that there was a big gap down told me that this is not a good time to go long, because the gap down is not because of normal technical reasons, overbought position, oversold position. It's not because of that. It's because of some news. So I do not know the actual impact of that news. So let the market decide what actually it wants to do. I cannot become a judge and say, oh no, that news is useless. The American markets are down for no reason. Asia is down for no reason because I say so. Who am I to say such things? I'm nothing in front of the markets. The market is telling us that there is some news and they are not happy with it. So that's the end of it. So today the idea was to go long, and I did not go long, and there was no opportunity to go short, and because that support levels have not been broken. Even the earliest support level of 11,450 holds. So with all the decline, 11,450 was also holding. So there was no reason to go short, there was no reason to go long, because the long reason was momentum is maintained, momentum was not maintained. So it was a nothing day for me, no trade. Now what about tomorrow? I suspect that tomorrow will be just like today. Nothing. Because the market is, I'm confused about the market. Are we in an uptrend? If we are, then tomorrow we will see signs of it, I hope. If we are not, we may be in a choppy market. If we start breaking 11,450, that is the breaking of the first support level. Should we go short? I am never comfortable going short, because overall all stock markets in growing economies have a clear trajectory of going up. The Nifty started at 800, 900, we are at 11,500, 800, long time back of course. But we are not at 100, we are 12 times, 13 times higher. So the big money comes in the long side. Short trades sometimes make lot of money, but they also lose lot of money when the market becomes choppy. And when there are small corrections and we try to go short in those corrections, we end up losing a lot of money. So I am not very keen to take a short trade at 11,450. I may take it. We'll see about that tomorrow. And if I do take it, it will be with a lot of hedging, not just like that. I don't know whether we should be buying tomorrow, because the market did not give any signs of life today. It did not rally. The American markets have not rallied. Nothing has happened. So perhaps tomorrow could be another day when we do nothing, and that's okay by me. I'm very happy if I get one good trade in a week, a high conviction trade. That may or may not make money, but at least the conviction is high. So tomorrow there is no conviction. I have to thank you for watching these videos. Again, we'll meet over the weekend. Have a great time. Jai Hind.